What if I told you there is an app, single app for your Firestick, which you can use to get all the best live TV as well as live sports channels free of charge. And the whole setup process is actually pretty easy too. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing sports app to your Firestick device. And the first thing you gotta do is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have it on your Fire TV and it is properly set up, then there is no need for you to do that step now. But if you do not have downloader or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow my steps. So the first step is getting to the search bar on your device. So we open it and start using this keyboard on the screen to enter downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let me click on it, and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get downloader, it is not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now, in order to properly set up downloader, we'll have to go to the settings on your device, click on this little button with a gear icon, and then scroll down to My Fire TV. You gotta open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you are unable to locate the developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it shall say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. You open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging. The next step is going to install unknown apps. Go here, and there all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we are going to do right now. So now finally, let's go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. Here it is, let me open it. And now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, all you have to do is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is. open it, and now here is Video Downloader. Let's open it up as well. And then here, what we have to do now is open this little search bar. Then a virtual keyboard will appear on the screen, and here we will be entering a link to get the amazing live sports app to your Firestick device. So it's gonna be GHD Sports dot, apologies, not dot yet, but JD Sports Pro, so it's Pro now, and now it's .net. So here's the full link on your screen. It's jdsportspro.net. Make sure to enter the link exactly as you see without making any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link would not work for you. The next step is clicking go, and now while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. Then this website will pop up and load for you. So just scroll down the website a bit until you see the download APK file now button. You gotta click on it. Then you might see an ad. If you see an ad, then just click on close to close it down. And now either the download will start or a new web page will appear. If a new page appears, you just need to click on download APK file now again. So click on that button again, and finally the download has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the app, as it was today in my case, but if you got a slow connection speed, then it might take a little bit longer. Then press install and just wait for the app to finish installing to your device. After that, do not click on open yet. Instead, I recommend clicking done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. And then if you go to the list of applications on your Firestick, here it is. Let me open it, and there at the bottom you will find this new sports app, which we just installed. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. You just gotta click on it and press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN for free if you use the link below the video or the link in a pinned comment. Then feel free to open the JD Sports app. And now finally here in this app, you'll get access to loads of amazing live TV channels as well as sports events. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.